m'abandonne. Je suis pas celle que tu crois, qu'un cabron ne m'a touché. À part toi, caballero, personne ne m'a touché. La cocaïne, a dit ma femme.
Big King P Rexy, what bestie? Blue jersey, I'm not Chelsea. Gonna Slava, no testing. Big King P Rexy, what bestie? Blue jersey, I'm not Chelsea. Gonna Slava, no testing.
Guys, really Jari.
Yeah, no. So now why you come? We'll see. I come this thing yesterday.
Yeah, okay.
Bro, small ring with just spoil. You don't wear shirt, you don't wear socks. Shey you be Jamie, this no be tall boy film. You feel like say you want to go Canada.
Coach day now.
Free yourself. See temperature 36 degrees Celsius. Day one.
Yourself from this bondage.
Open your body. See how they hot. Bro, if you go to Canada, you go die for this Nigeria. If you say you go Canada tomorrow, you
practice.
Open your body. This guy,
since at the time, you don't count. You don't say who's, bro. Breathe. Who's Khalifa?
Who's Mania?
If they give you permission, me become president for Nigeria today, waiting you go do.
Thank you, I like that.
I like that too.
Yeah, as a president of Nigeria, for Naija. Jesus.
I come close.
I go first down first.
Okay.
I go chop.
Go chop.
Because I'm hungry. I said to my Baba, first I was down. Make my table food with food first.
As the president, wow.
Yes.
That's the first you go do.
My chop. Man, rest my sleep for like 5 good days.
5 good days.
Nobody go enter my house.
Okay.
Why?
I beg you order that food now.
Thanks, my G. Guy, I don't call out.
How far now, my guys?
Hey,
How
mate.
far now? That's my friend Labake.
Hey, Labake.
How you doing now?
Last day here, Jerry.
I like your friend. I like your cap.
Oh, me? Thank you very much. You like this cap? I was the one I bought this cap. I don't care you. I bought this cap with the boxers I gave this guy. What's the problem now? I bought it with the cap I gave you. The boxers I gave you now.
Waiting with this now.
Now waiting the wear safe. Can you imagine? I bought it in store now. What's your problem? I bring my cap now. This guy is already wearing my cap too much. I tell you make carry this slide from most there.
Why you do like that? Why you yarn too much?
Slats?
Oh, they mess up.
You know, I feed you if I don't turn rat. What's your problem?
Flits?
Yes.
What attracted you to me?
I like you because of your personality.
Yvonne, he said he liked me because of my personality.
Get me hot, baby. The budget, please get it.
Another star, you fade away. Afraid of aim inside the side. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? It's not a fantasy. Where are you now? Where are you now?
sleep with her.
What about you, ma?
I'll just have the same thing that he wants.
Okay, you want the exact same thing that the man that wants to sleep with you wants. All right.
Excuse you? Sorry, what did you say?
I said 2 cold cocktails.
Before that, the sentence you made.
I said the same thing. You want the same thing that you want. That was what you just said.
No,
Before that, the sentence.
I said 2 best cocktails.
No.
The other way you said that, the other way you said what you just said now.
No, I said if you want the same thing he wants.
No. The other way you said it.
I said you want the same thing with the man that wants to sleep with you.
Are you okay?
Go and ask your grandfather.
Any problem, ma?
Yes, there's a problem. Why would you say such a thing?
No, what I just said, do you want the same thing you order? I don't know any other thing about it.
No, how do you know he's sleeping with me?
I don't understand. Like, that's not my business. What I'm asking, do you want 2 cold cocktails?
Why would you say you want to sleep with me?
But this is your first date.
So?
So you want to sleep with you now?
Are you crazy? How do you know?
Oh, you don't know? I don't understand. Is there a problem, sir?
Yes, there is a problem.
What is the problem? You don't want the cold cocktail or what?
The cocktail is not the problem. Why would you say he wants to sleep with me?
But is this not your first date? Sir, is she your sister, sir?
No, she's not my sister.
Hey, you want to sleep with her now?
Are you mad?
Or is this sexual intercourse?
Are you crazy?
Jesus!
Are you an idiot?
No, sir.
Are you a fool?
No, sir.
So why would you say I want to sleep with her?
Because you want to sleep with her. It's your first date. That is what they do. You come on the first date. So why do you bring her on the first date?
To sleep with her, of course. Yes! Why are you mad? Why you put it to her face like that?
I not put it to her face. I put it to the book. 2 cocktails. That is what I did.
You're very crazy.
You are
But what do you think he wants
you know
to?
you're mad.
I know, but what do you think?
crazy.
I
You know
know.
what? At this point, I need to speak with your manager. Where's your manager?
Excuse me, sir. Do you want to sleep with her or not?
I said I don't want to sleep. Call me your manager. Hello, sir. Are you the manager here?
Yes, I am.
Is this the kind of riffraffs you order? You employ in this place?
What is it?
I don't know.
Okay, ask the question again the same way you did.
Okay, sir. I think there is a misconception here. So basically, she wanted cold cocktail. So he wanted cold cocktail first. So I asked her, do you want the same thing he wants?
No,
That was what I said.
the other thing you said.
I said, do you want the same thing with the man that wants to sleep with
Just
you?
imagine.
The problem is, I did not know she was not aware that he wants to sleep with her. But this is
My goodness, are you stupid?
Sorry, sir, I apologize. Now, it's their first date. Now, what?
Are you rude?
I'm not rude. I'm sorry.
I'm very sorry. My friend, will you apologize to them?
Who should I apologize to? She or the man that wants to sleep with her?
Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
Apologize to the man that wants to sleep with her.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm very sorry, sir.
Alpha, what did I stop? Alpha, come, let's go on the phone in the first area. Come.
Who goes you?
Nobody goes to the same message. Papa, I'm not in a wacky. I press a lever.
So what are you trying to prove now, eh?
I brought this girl back.
Oh, you brought my offspring because you know I'm a very successful businessman. You can see my achievement and my accomplishment. You are bringing my daughter after how many years?
I left with my daughter then because you did not make it. Now I brought the child back again. You have still not made it.
I have made it.
Soft made it. I see the maid you made it.
Why are you bringing her back to me?
Listen to me, yeah? This is your father.
Okay.
Henceforth, responsibility has school fees.
Shay, help us.
You are even my father.
Follow your mother right now.
Me, I'm not going anywhere. Me, I'll come to stay.
It is smoky, book.
I'm not getting anywhere. You get inside. I'll follow you inside.
You see, hey!
As you not find your cooking cup, I don't carry a committee.
Did you all plan this thing today?
Oh, somebody don't come before. See your life. Now so useless people they do.
Oh, you are the useless.
Are you useless?
You are very useless.
Your
mama na useless. Are you sure?
Mama na useless. Your mama don't come. She don't go. Your mama don't come. When she come, they go. Okay. Papa, now you born this thing.
Don't ask that stupid question now.
I'm bonus. See me and you will resemble.
True. Get this line.
See, this thing an adult quarrel. Maybe you come and go play. Go settle themselves. They be adults.
Even get the same eye. Papa, where our bag go inside with the food?
Get out!
Yes, man.
Don't open the door. Why are you locking the door?
Run, no.
What is the plan? Where are those children? They ran inside here. Where are those children? Yes, calm down.
Oh, they're your children, right?
Yes, they're my children. Oh, fine.
Officer, you cannot arrest those children, man, and they are minors. Let's arrest their fathers. This is their father.
Even better. I'm sorry. I think I misunderstood you the first time. No, they're not my children. They're actually my adopted children.
Yeah, you are under arrest.
Look, nobody can take me out away from my house.
Why even the law cannot carry you?
Your law does not have the right.
No, Nama, we show you.
Hey!
We show you. Say,
They don't go.
Now no, they push me now. Now so your mama they push you for house.
Sorry. See, they don't come up. Okay. We'll go for another trouble. Maybe they arrest your mama.
Funny bros, you know the rest, you know the rest.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Hey!
Excuse me, sir. I'm Kelvin by name. I just came back from Korea. I want to base in Nigeria. I was on the phone with my friend, but his line suddenly went off. He said I should come to God's own estate. His name is Chokode.
Oh.
This man!
Chukwu Abara.
Yes.
You based in Korea? Yes. See Chukwu the house now. Upstairs. Downstairs. That should be a bungalow. It is smoky.
Sir, please, I don't understand.
Oh, don't get it twisted.
Is it taking down?
Climb up. Ask for Chukwudi, not for him.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Oh, it's all good.
Manage this 1,000 Korean.
$1.
Hey, man!
No, now this is too big for me. It's too much. Who am I to buy 60 house? 6G wagon for my babe. And 2 limousine for Losho. Take 6 million out of this money now. Let me manage 600 million out of this.
Thank you very much.
No, I cannot finish 600 million.
It is smoky.
God will bless you.
Amen.
You will fall. Like manna from heaven.
This man!
Rush.
Thank you very much, sir.
Rush.
Funny bros, you know the rest, you know the rest. Funny bros, you know the rest, you know the rest. Funny bros, you know the rest, you know the rest. Funny bros, you know the rest, you know the rest. They got a more, one they got a more. It's a God have mercy. Funny bros, they got a more, one they got a more. It's a funny bros.
It is smoky. It is taking down.
Hello, ma. I will take care of the abuse. Madam, I don't like it when they help me. Double it times 6. Madam, bring 100 bottles for me. My head can carry it.
Okay, sir. Waiter.
This man!
India.
Hey!
Okay, so madam, how are you?
I'm fine.
From time to time we'll be coming.
Alright.
In who God have blessed, no man can cause. I don't know, do you have an exchanger here?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, come in.
Aboki! Aboki!
God have mercy upon us.
Kai, Oganagwode, come. Change this Korea dollar for me. That should be 600 million. Or just give me 500 million. Maybe tomorrow I'll come and exchange the rest. Mind you, hide the Ghana must go. You know, things are happening.
It is smart book. It is third India.
Okay? That one my rate, bro. I think I'm going to send a pound for me. That money and I get one for this country.
Our bill is 7 million naira.
God have mercy upon us.
Hey, Baba. You're going to come every day, yeah? But now onward with family. You're going to come every day.
I got my Turu Chineke.
Oh no. We'll go 1.5. What? But I need 2.5.
How much is that car?
That's 20 million.
20 million?
Yeah.
You give me that car. I will test it. Once I'm okay with it,
It is smart book.
I will buy it 64. Wow. Don't shout. You know, kidnappers and...
Oh no.
Where is the key?
Alright, let's go to my office.
It
is very shameful for you to accept that. Oh no.